next video.
Yo.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, Nana.
What?
You gonna say hi to Nana and Grandpa?
No.
Why?
Hi, Papa. Nina.
What'd you do today?
I don't know.
Did you play with Nona?
No.
You didn't. Are you making Mommy a drink that she so richly deserves? Yeah? You're silly. You're a silly goose. And here comes your sister, the princess.
Hello, everybody.
Why don't you do a little song? A short one.
Short one? How about the part? It's too long, right?
Yeah.
How about...
Do the other one that you only know, that you don't know the whole thing of.
Huh?
Go ahead. The one that you're singing at Nona.
Okay. That was good. You came from heaven to earth. Lord, I lift your name up high. Lord, I lift your name up high.
Woo! All right. Any final words to Nana and Grandpa?
Yeah, and I love you too, and I miss you, and I love you, Grandpa.